now it is time to start with the numbers. Okay, so again, this is the first.py program. So inside it, let's print 1. Okay, like this, as simple as that. Now let's open the terminal here and let's just up the up arrow and press enter. Okay, the up arrow, so which is the last command, as you can see. By the way, I'm pretty sure you are familiar with that, but I'm just giving you some hints in case you don't know. Okay, so up arrow, press enter, which is the last command, which is the Python 3 first.py. And you can see that it is 1 because we print the 1 number. Okay, now what if I type the operation plus or the addition operation like this? Now, and if I typed, for example, and if I copy and paste that, the same thing for multiplication, for addition, sorry about that, subtraction, multiplication, and division, by the way. So, but let's change the values. So here let's put 10 minus 1, and here let's put 2 multiplied by 4 or by 3 anyway. Here let's put 10 multiplied by 5 and so on, just arbitrary values. Okay, now here if I return to the terminal and let's put that, you can see that it is 2, 9, 6, 2.5 and so on. Okay, which is 2. By the way, this is integer multiplied by integer, but it will give you the as a float value. Okay, which is 2.0. Okay, because this is the division. Now we have this function or method called the type, and inside it let's put the value. This will return you the value what will that returned. Okay, so if I type here type 10 multiplied by 5, now this should return float, and the same thing for the 1 plus 1. I don't need to put them for everything, just let's do that and test it out. Okay, so yeah, if I type here, you can see that the class is int for the first one, which is the 1 plus 1. Okay, now for 10 divided by 5, you can see that it is a float, which is the 2.0. So as you can see, by using this function, we learned how to know what is the data type for this specific number. Okay, now actually there are other things, which is the exponential. So if I type print like this and 2, the exponential is double star. Okay, or the arithmetics. Okay, power to 3. So this will give us 8. So if I return here to the terminal and put here, yeah, it is 8, but let's clear the screen. Actually, yeah, it is 8, as you can see now. And we have the module, which is the, if you can see, it is the 2 forward slash. So if I type here 2 and here is 4, okay, so this should return 0. So yeah, as you can see, it is 0. Now don't worry about the math. Actually, this course is not about math, but I'm just giving you a brief overview how to use Python in that. Okay, now in the next lecture we will start learning some of the math functions actually that can be used, like the absolute, like the cosine, sine, whatever. Okay, but again, this course is not about math or something like this. This is about ethical hackings, about creating your own ethical hacks using Python. But to do that, you need to understand the Python first. Okay, all right, I will see you there.